How to fix stretched screen on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings. In Settings, click on System. After you're in System, on the left side, click on Display. Scroll down in Display and click on Advanced Display Settings. Then, in here, click on Display Adapter Properties for Display. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on Color Management at the top. Click on Color Management in here again. Then click on Advanced at the top. In Advanced, click on Calibrate Display. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix stretched screen windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.